Hello guys, and welcome to the very first session of the Data Fanatics. So I am starting big data tutorials right here on YouTube. So this is the first session, and today we are just going to talk about the prerequisites platform and the tools that we are going to learn. So without wasting time, let's get started. The first thing is platform. So I'm going to be using Hortonworks. It really doesn't matter which platform you use, because maybe when you go into some company, they might be using Google Cloud. In some other company, they might be using AWS. So you can use Hortonworks, any cloud service, Cloudera, or even install Hadoop on your local system. It really doesn't matter, because in the end, the queries remain same. The queries that you're going to write on different tools, they remain same. Only the thing that changes is the platform. So let's take a look what Hortonworks looks like. Okay, so this is Ambari. Here, this is a web interface where you can manage all the applications of your Hortonworks. So here you can see all the metrics, like the disk usage or the resources that are being used. Since you are using a single computer, it really doesn't matter. But if you're using like multiple computers connected together or a commodity hardware, then yes, then this is useful. Here you can see all the tools right here, HDFS, Yarn, and all the tools are right now running. And here we got interactive view, the HDFL files view. It's checking if all the services are running fine. Here's the HDFS view. You got a Hive view to write your Hive queries right here. And similarly, you got a Pig view to write your Pig queries. So this is what Ambari looks like. It's an interactive web interface in Hortonworks. Okay guys, one more thing I want to add over here. Many of you might already be aware what is this Hortonworks platform we are using, or the HDFS, Yarn, and Hadoop. But many of you may be new over here, so don't be overwhelmed, because we will be talking about this all in detail. We are getting ahead of ourselves right now. This is just an intro course. So I'm just talking about this, like what we are using. I will be going in detail on how to set up this Hortonworks and what is this Hadoop and HDFS, Yarn, everything. So don't worry. Just hold on with me and we will go in depth for everything. Let's get back to our presentation and move on to the next thing. And the prerequisites. Well, there aren't any prerequisites for this course, but if you are already aware of Python and SQL, then you are going to have no problem. But if you are not aware, then don't worry, because I will be giving you short tutorials or explanations of all the code segments that I explain, that I share over here. So don't worry if you're not aware, and we will go in depth for everything. So the next thing, tools. Okay, so we will be going from MapReduce, Pig, Spark, all the way up to Hive. So these tools I will be covering in this course, and they are going to be more. But that depends on the feedback that I get from you guys. If it's positive, then yes, surely I will extend this course to more tools. The last thing is codes. All the codes that I share with you, explain you over here, they will be available on the GitHub. So maybe if you don't want to code along with me, then you can get those codes right from there, play with them, run them on your system, do whatever you want. So that's all for today, guys. If you're as excited as I am for this course, then go ahead, like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Press on the bell icon button so you get all the updates from my videos. And also, if you have any question, just go ahead and ask them in the comment section. I will get back to you. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.